Hello everyone, myself Dr. Khan, Associate Professor of Mathematics, Jagannath International Management School, Vasant Kunj. I welcome you all in this video. In this video, we will discuss a very important distribution of probability known as normal distribution. Okay, so far you studied right till now two distributions, binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. The proof, the definitions, proof and questions on binomial and Poisson distribution we discussed in previous videos. Now this is the third distribution of probability known as normal distribution. So today we will discuss the normal distribution, right? So first of all, what is the distribution function for normal distribution? So we have distribution function. Distribution function. Let P be the probability of successes and Q be the probability of failure and N be the number of trials. Number of trials for any random experiment. Then the distribution function is given by the distribution function is given by fx is equal to p x is less than equal to x is equal to minus infinity to x fx dx. Then fx is defined as the distribution function, where fx is defined as the distribution function. Let fx be a continuous function, where we can write here fx, small fx is defined the distribution function. Let fx be continuous function. Let fx be continuous function. Then mean is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x fx dx. Minus infinity to plus infinity x or fx dx, right? And the variance is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity x minus x bar whole square into fx dx, where x bar is equal to mean. Okay, fx is called probability density function here. Here fx is called probability density function, PDF, probability density function, right? So if fx is greater than equal to 0, if fx is greater than equal to 0 for every value of x, number 1, number 2, minus infinity to infinity dfx dx is equal to 1, fx dx is equal to हमेशा 1 होता है, and number 3, a to b fx dx is equal to, it's very important, a to b fx dx is equal to always p equal to p where x is greater than a less than b, right? So we have a small example here. A function fx is defined as follows. A function fx is defined as follows. Fx is equal to 0, 1 by 18, 2x plus 3, and 0, x is less than 2, x is greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 4, x is 4. So that it is a probability density function. So that it is a probability density function. It is a probability density function. Okay. So solution fx is equal to 0. We have the solution. Fx is equal to 0, right? Fx is equal to 0 here. When x is less than 2, and fx is equal to 1 by 18, 2x plus 3, when x is greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 4, and 0, x is greater than 4. Greater than 4. If fx is a probability density function, if fx is a probability density function, then integral of minus infinity to infinity fx dx is equal to 1. So we have here integral 2 to 4, 1 upon 18, 2x plus 3, dx is equal to 1 upon 18 okay, 2x square by 2 plus 3x 2 to 4 1 upon 18 x square plus 3x, so is equal to 1 upon 18, 2 to 4 here, 4 square 16, 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 3 to the 6 by substituting upper and lower limits. 1 by 18, 16 plus 12 minus 10 is equal to 1 by 18, 28 minus 10, so we have 18 by 18, that is 1. So therefore integral minus infinity to infinity fx dx is equal to 1. Therefore fx is a probability density function. Fx is a probability density function. Okay. The diameter of an electric cable is assumed to be continuous. Next example. The diameter of an electric cable is the diameter of an electric cable is assumed to be continuous random variable. Continuous random variable. Continuous random variable with probability density function. Density function. Fx is equal to 6x 1 minus x x is greater than 0, less than equal to 1. Verify that above is a PDF. Verify that above is a PDF, probability density function. So solution we have, right? We have the solution. Integral minus infinity to infinity fx dx is equal to minus 0 to 1 6x 1 minus x dx is equal to 6 x minus x square dx 0 to 1 equal to 6 x square by 2 minus x to the power 3 by 3 0 to 1 6 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 0 equal to 6 3 minus 2, that is 6 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1. So since infinity to infinity fx dx is equal to 1, therefore fx is a PDF, मतलब probability density function. So these are the methods to solve questions and concepts related to normal distribution. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, any queries, you comment me in comment box. So thank you all. Thank you very much.